added eggs to green corn and it'll be a hit at summer festivals. In an aluminum pan, we'll start by adding a cup of sugar. I've put it directly on the stove, but you can use a pot first if you prefer. We'll stir until the sugar melts completely and turns into caramel. This is the perfect consistency. Let's set it aside and wait for it to cool. Meanwhile, in a blender, add our green corn with 2 eggs. Then 100 grams of shredded coconut, 395 grams of condensed milk, (200 milliliters of coconut milk, 300 milliliters of regular milk. Now we'll cover it and blend it really well. After blending, we'll pour everything into our pan. Next, cover with plastic wrap, shiny side down. Seal it tightly. To cook, I'm using an air fryer, but you can use an oven or bain-marie. In my air fryer, I set it to 160 degrees for 50 minutes. After that, just let the pudding cool, preferably in the fridge. Now remove the plastic wrap and let's flip it onto a plate. Check it out, folks. This corn pudding is amazing, quick and easy. It's perfect for the June festival season. Look at how creamy this pudding is. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That's another quick recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs. See you next time and thanks.